project. Okay, today we make castanuelas with these two leaves and this recycling box. This is from, it's beautiful, it's from the alfajores. And we need glue, we need some texta, a scissor.
Okay, now
We will cut this part. We need to make the square or the rectangle with this. I think so that it's around 15 centimeters. Yeah. Okay, and like this. Then we need to fold in the middle like this. Okay. We need to set up the lid in here. Okay. We need to cut round in here, in this part, in the corner, round, a little round, like this. Can you see? With the texta, the black one, I want to decorate my castañuelas. Like this. Can you see? Yes or no? Can you see the line? The little line? Yeah, okay. And in here, in this part, we need to paste the lid. Okay, in here, you need the glue, the strong glue for this part. And you paste in here, in the top, okay, like this, in the top. And the same with another lid. The lid needs to be the same size, okay? You need to wait maybe 5 minutes. Okay. Then you need to fold again your castañuelas like this. Yeah. Okay. Like this. Okay, now they are ready. You can decorate wherever you want. With dots, with animals, with plants, with flowers. And if they are ready, they are dry, we can start to play music with them. Ahora con los tres dedos, with these 3 fingers, you put in here, in the top, and 1 behind here. Okay, 3 in the top, 1, and these need to be in here, in this part, in the side. Okay, and we start to playing the castañuelas. good. The castanuelas are working on. We can play a beautiful music with them. Okay? Adios, bye bye. See you next session.